Hello people, how are you? Welcome to St. King Academy. If it is your first time to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Right, so you have a question here. We say form an equation in x and show that it reduces to x squared plus 3x minus 20 is equals to 0. Right, so our shape right here, it is a right angle triangle. So we ask you to multiply or show that it reduces to what? To x squared plus 3x minus 20 is equals to 0. Right, so our shape right is right angle triangle. This side is the hypotenuse side and these two other sides are opposite and what? And adjacent. Okay, so the formula, this one we're going to use Pythagoras theorem to find out this equation. So Pythagoras theorem, it says our formula is hypotenuse squared is equals to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So our hypotenuse, this side is what? 7 squared is equals to, then our opposite, that's x, we're going to say x squared, then plus adjacent, it's x plus what? Plus 3 squared. So 7 squared, we get 49 is equals to x squared plus, so this bracket we are going to multiply, we're going to expand it, x plus 3, then x plus 3. So 49 is equals to x squared plus, let's expand this bracket, first bracket, remember first bracket multiplies the second bracket. So of first bracket we're going to say x multiplied by second bracket, which is x plus 3 plus the other number, which is 3, which is going to multiply the second bracket as well. So 49 is equals to x squared plus, so x times x, we get what? We get x squared plus 3 times x, that's 3x, plus 3 times x, that's 3x again, plus 3 times 3, we get 9. So it's now 49 is equals to x plus x, we get 2x squared plus 3 plus 3, that's 6x plus what? Plus 9. Okay, so let's transfer 49 to this side. So it's now 0, this side is now 0 is equals to 2x squared plus 6x plus 9. So 49 to this side is minus 49. So 0 is equals to 2x squared plus 6x, 9 minus 49 is minus what? Minus 40. Right, remember we asked to reduce it to x squared plus 3x minus 20. So we want to divide both sides by 2. 2 into 2, that's 1, into 6, that's 3, into 40, that's 20. So it's now 0 is equals to x squared plus 3x minus 20. That's our answer. We have shown that it reduces to x squared plus 3x minus 20 is equals to 0. So the same way 0 is equals to x squared plus 3x minus 20. Right, another one, form an equation in x and show that it reduces to x squared minus 18x plus 45 is equals to 0. So this shape right here is right angle triangle. So the only way to calculate this one is by using Pythagoras theorem. So this side right here, that's our hypotenuse, then these two other sides are opposite and adjacent. Okay, so the formula for hypotenuse for Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse squared is equals to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So our hypotenuse right here is x plus 2, we're going to square it, is equals, our opposite is x minus 7 squared plus x squared. So we're going to expand this bracket. So x plus 2 multiplied by x plus what? Plus 2 is equals to x minus 7 multiplied by x minus 7 plus x squared. So first bracket multiply second bracket. So x multiplied by x plus 2 plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 is equals the same here. Okay, so we are going to expand the second bracket. X multiplied by x minus what? Minus 7 multiplied by x minus 7 plus what? Plus x squared. So x times x, that's x squared, plus 2 times x, that's 2x, plus 2x. So x times 2 times the x, 2x, plus 2 times 2, we get 4 is equals to x times x, that's x squared, x times minus 7, that's minus 7x, minus 7 times x, that's minus 7, x again, minus times a minus, that's plus. So 7 times 7, that's 49 plus x squared. Okay, so let's group our like terms. So x squared plus x squared, x plus x, 2x plus 2x, that's 4x plus 4 is equals to, so x squared minus 7, that's minus 14x. So minus 7x minus 7x, that's minus 14x plus what? Plus 49 plus x squared. Okay, so x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equals to x squared plus x squared, that's 2x squared, minus 14x plus 49. So let's group our like terms, all this to this side. So now 0 is equals to 2x squared minus what? Minus x, then minus 4x squared to this side. So it's now 2x minus what? Minus x what? Minus x squared, then minus 14x. 4x to this side is now minus 4 what? Minus 4x, then plus 49, then 4 to this side, that's minus what? Minus 4. So it's now 0 is equals to 2x squared minus x squared, that's x squared, minus 14x minus 4x, that's minus what? Minus 18x. Then 49 minus 4, that's plus 45. So shown. So it's now x squared minus 18x plus 45 is equals to 0. Covered. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and please share my videos to your friends. Thank you so much.